Are you a homeowner looking to put your home on the market? If so, let me tell you the 5 things that you must do to maximize your home's value to attract top dollar offers. Hi, I'm Robin Noter with eXp. Here are the 5 easy things that you can do to get top dollar on your home. Clean and declutter. A clean and clutter-free home is more appealing to potential buyers. Clean your home thoroughly and remove any excess clutter to create a more spacious and inviting environment. 2. Make necessary repairs before putting your home on the market. Make a list of low-cost things that need to be done, like fixing leaky faucets, patching holes in the walls, cleaning or replacing grout in the kitchen and the bathroom. You may even want to consider doing a home inspection up front to see what significant work might need to be done. Next, you want to enhance the curb appeal. First impressions are very important, so make sure your home's exterior looks its best. You want to trim the overgrown bushes, mow the yard, lay ground coverings such as bark, mulch. You might want to power wash the exterior or paint the front door. Next, you want to stage your home. Staging can help potential buyers envision themselves living in your house, thinking that it's theirs. Rearrange the furniture, add decorative touches, and create a cohesive look throughout the home. And finally, and most importantly, you want to price it right. In today's market, as a seller, you need to be competitive in your list price so you don't become stale on the market. This is why it's so important to work with an experienced real estate professional to show you all the current market data and sold comparables in the neighborhood. Contact me today so I can help you strategize the sale of your home and guide you every step of the way. You do deserve to get the most money from your home investment. Robin Noter with eXp.